Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to my class grade 4. How are you doing today? I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's move to our lesson together. We are going to continue our lesson for comparing and ordering decimal. Let's start together. Before we start the class, we're gonna review the previous lesson that we had learned together. So how to compare decimal numbers? Do you remember everyone? Think a moment and answer my question. How many different ways to compare decimal numbers? And today we are going to study about comparing decimal up to 3 decimal places using place value chart, number line, and ordering decimal. Okay, so we learned already is how to compare decimal up to 1 or 2 decimal places, but today we continue comparing decimal up to 3 decimal places. Okay, let's go together. The first point we're going to learn today is comparing decimal up to 3 decimal places using place value chart and number line. You know exactly what is a place value chart and what is number line. Let's learn together for this. Compare decimal up to 3 decimal places using place value chart. Which is greater, 3.672 or 3.654? You can think a moment about this number, but maybe you find out the answer of it. But look at the place value chart here. So we have ones, we have tens, we have hundred, we have thousand. So 3, we write 3 in 1, so we have to write it in 1, then dot point, then 6 in 10, so you write 6 right there, and 7 is in 100, so you write right here, and number 2 is in 1000. So this is we write on the place values, and for the next numbers 3.654 you write in order like that. Number 3 is in ones, and number 6 in 10, and so on like here. So remind you again, how do we compare the decimal? We compare from the greatest place first, then smaller place, smaller to the smallest, the small place. So let's go together. So you compare 3 and 3 here. Okay, 6 and 6 right here the same, because 3 and 3 are the same, so we compare the next place at 10. So 6 and 6 also the same. We compare the next place, smaller place, 100. So number 7 and number 5. 700 is greater than 500. That's why we get the answer 3.672 is greater than 3.654. Okay, let's continue the other example. Which is smaller, 39.123 or 35.789? Let's look at together and think a moment and choose one answer of yours. Okay, let's start together. Compare. So we have to write all the place value chart on there. Okay, we have tens, we have ones, we have tenth, we have hundred, we have thousand. So 39.123 we write like this: 3 in tens, 9 in 1, 10, 1 in 10, number 2, digit number 2 is in 100, digit number 3 is in 1000, so on. And for 35.789 you write like that. Okay, let's start to compare together. You know, we compare from the greatest place, 10th, number 3 in 10, so they are the same. So we compare the next place. the smaller place in 1. When we see number 9 is in 1 and number 5 in 1 also. So we compare 9 ones and 5 1, which one is greater or which one is smaller. Number 5 is smaller, right? So 5 1 is smaller than 9 1. So that's why we we have a conclusion like this. 35.789 is smaller than 39.123. Alright, this is comparing decimal up to 3 decimal places using number line. So which is smaller, 2.143 or 2.139? You look at number line, we have like this. We cut 10 part from 2.13 and 2.14, and between that we can write 2.131, 2.132, and so on up until this is 2.139, and this is so on. So this is on the number line from the left place is greater than from the right place. So the right place is greater than the left place. So 2.143 is on the right. That's why it's greater. But the question asks about the smaller. So 2.139 is smaller than 2.143. This is using number line. And ordering decimal. Here is ordering. What is the ordering? Ordering means we arrange the number from the smallest to the greatest, or from the greatest to the smallest. And we have any word like increasing order, decreasing order, ascending order, or descending orders. But it depends on the real situation. So go together is about arrange 0.85, 0.678, and 0.8 in increasing order. The rate word here is increasing order. Increasing order means a rank from the smallest to the greatest. Alright, so look at the place value chart here. Alright, so you see we compare 0 the same, but 8 and 8 are the same. So 6 is the smallest. So 0.678 is the smallest. And now we have two numbers to compare. Which one is the greatest? 0.85 and 0.8. So 8 is the same. 8 is the same, but 5 is greater than nothing. Nothing here means 0. So the greatest number is 0.85. So the middle number is 0.8. So that's why we're gonna get here. So a rank in increasing order, we get 0.678, then 0.8, then 0.85. This is from the smallest to the greatest. Alright, this is a rank one more number, decreasing order. Decreasing order right here, it means a rank from the greatest to the smallest. So we arrange 5.87, 5.708, 5.78 like that. So right in the place value right here. Alright, so we compare 5 in ones are the same and the 10 is different. So number 8 is the greatest, so this is the greatest number. And we gonna compare the next two number. This one 5 and 5 are the same, 7 and 7 are the same, but 0 and 8 different, so 0 is smaller. So 5.708 is the smallest. So we can get the answer right here. In decreasing order, the decimal are 5.87, 87, 5.78, and 5.708, like here. Okay. Then this is we're gonna find out any missing number in the pattern, the pattern. So see, this is 0.1 more than 4.5 is, sorry, 5.4 if 5.5, or 5.5 is 0.1 more than 5.4. This is any sentence is talk about 0.1 more than 4. Sorry, 5.4. And we have many examples right here, so please read yourself. Okay, we move to the other slide. Complete the number pattern. You look at the pattern. The pattern right here is add by the same number or subtract by the same number. Like this pattern, what we're gonna complete is the pattern that decrease by 0.01. So all the patterns. So on the question mark here, it will be subtract by, take 4.278 subtract by 0.01. You're gonna see 4.268. Okay, so and so on, like this way also. And example 2, it decrease the same way, decrease by 0.3, mean we minus the next number by 0.3. So you will see the answer. So we have many of the pattern, but this is just some example for you. And thank you for watching this video. See you for the next lesson. Goodbye.